Hello guys, so today in 24 to 25 we're going to La Orilla Resort. We're going to swimming. Not that. That's we're gonna swimming. We are gonna swimming here. So see you guys on there in 24 August 2025. Let's this. This is the La Olivia Resort. This is the good place they want to go. So this is fine, I guess. Then we're slugging. Wait, oh. This is the La Olivia. Oh, it's posted on December 9, 2024. So let's see it. Cabana with swing. Let's swing. Wow, swing. I love swing. I love swing. No. That's the La Olivia Resort. So I just clicked on it and it's labas and it shows that the La Olivia Resort. And down, up and down, and round, and round. That's what we're gonna swim. This is where we're gonna go. Let's go. Here we're gonna go here. The couches. Oh no, the couches is so. I feel it's like so. The swimming pool. I could dive here. What's here? Wow. I do not drink wine because I'm 10. Cabana with swings like this one. One more? Wait, my grandmother said here you're gonna sleep there. then I laughed. Alright, that's we're gonna sleep. That's where we're gonna sleep. Okay, one more. Wow. The bedroom's nice. I love it. I love it. I will. Oh, the double deck. I'm gonna sleep on the top. I love it. Here on the top. I'm gonna sleep there. Oh my gosh. Maybe like wait. Maybe like follow the like this, like that. Oh, follow that. Maybe like wow, the double deck is so nice. Oh my god, I'm gonna sleep there. Or me, oh maganda. It's beautiful in the daon. Sorry, I'm not English. I'm not American. This is third floor. Queen size bed. This is the dining or kitchen area. I love it. This is the kitchen area. Night view. That's adult pool. This is the kiddie pool with jacuzzi. Hey, jacuzzi. Hey, laser power. Unlimited use of billiard. Pool ball. Third floor, overlooking view of Mountain Makili plus jacuzzi pool. That's I think that's the jacuzzi pool. Look at the couch. Jacuzzi pool. Imagine this with overlooking view. Oh my god. It's beautiful like that. Oh. No, the third floor kitchen. Parking space up to 3 cars on premises. What's the Sigma? Me, Poison Tree, Medusa, Maleficent. One more. What's that? That is the okay. I wanna go there so bad, like right now. Cabana, night view. Oh, the CR. Oh, CR. What's that? Second floor, lounge area. Did I pronounce that? Oh, having fun using this Xbox with your kids. Wow. If there was a grow garden there, I would I would automatically play it or literally play it. Like what the Sigma? What's that? The down area? Down. Oh, the painting. Wow. Wow, the floors are great. I think this is the 5 review. This is 5 review. Okay, bye guys. See you on 24 to 25. Bye.